Hello.
So we are here to tell you a little bit about the Gala Gourmet selection box that you can choose when you sign up to join our Evening with Manor Gala.
Yes, and I'm so excited to take the opportunity to walk you through what you're getting in your box for the gala. How great!
Yeah, it's so exciting that we're actually just going to go right into it.
Yes.
First up is our Formaggio board. So this has several cheese options. We have some dried fruit, crackers, and candied walnuts. So a nice light board for you to enjoy while you're watching the gala. Our first drink that you could choose from is a nice white wine. It's a nice light option, right? So exciting. Our next board is a vegetarian board. So if you're not thinking of cheese and meats, lean more towards the vegetarian board. We have a lot of vegetables on there for you to choose from. So we have a lot of different options for you.
Yes, and let's say you are not really, into the alcohol route. That's totally fine. We have a sparkling water option for you to choose from. I mean, that's totally great.
Yes.
I love it. It's delicious.
That's what I chose.
Right? Okay, and then we also have a red wine option if you choose that. Totally up to you. And for our last board that you could choose, we have a charcuterie board with meats and cheeses and crackers and dips. Oh, it looks amazing.
But wait, there's more.
Oh my gosh.
So the last thing that will be in your box is our Manor Glasses. Each are etched with the Manor College logo. And then you will get the wine glass with the stem, as well as what I like to call a wine glass without a stem, also known as a whiskey glass, but I'm using it for wine. So you'll have that choice, and then you can choose your whichever board you're feeling. I chose the vegetarian board.
Yeah, and I definitely chose the charcuterie board because I love meat and cheese. Come on.
I know. So lots of great options. We're so excited for you to go on there and select which one you want. You have until Friday, October 30th, so make sure you put your order in today.
Yes.
Cheers.